Hi friends, I always telling you this is the best trick for this lottery. You should select two serials for this lottery. You can see the previous result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers came from 1 to 9. And remaining two numbers came from two serials, that is 32 and 43. So again, it is my advice for this lottery, you should select your all 7 numbers in two serials which you like. This is the best trick. I assure you, you will win the jackpot prize in this lottery. Okay friends, so let's go for the upcoming draw of this lottery, which is trying on 22 September. Friends, these are the results. Whenever the 12 number came as the first number, you can see total 4 times 12 number has come in the past history of this lottery. After that, you can see the last number came 43, then 34 and then 39. These are 3 family numbers. They pick the all numbers from here, 43, 34 and 39. So next in this draw, it is very low chances to come the number from here. So in my suggestion, don't select the number from here. These are weak numbers for upcoming draw of this lottery. According to my research, you should select your 7 numbers. I have some powerful sets 2, 7, 3, 8. You can select 2 numbers from here and then 13, 31, 36 and 18. 2 numbers from here and 21, 26, 12 and 29. You can select 1 or 2 number from here. In last 41, 42, 14 and 24. You should select 1 or 2 number from here. These are the best combinations. If you like any number from it, you can choose in your selection. Maximum numbers according to my research will come. Maximum numbers will come 1 to 20. Again, the maximum numbers 4 or 5 numbers should come between 1 to 20. I am also trying to make the best formula for this lottery, so wait for my next videos. Good luck to all and goodbye.